Hi guys, today we're going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. I got the 46mm variant of this watch. It's only available in silver. This is a late unboxing. This watch was released 7 months ago. It was in August 2018. But since this unit is still brand new, sealed in the box, let's see what's inside. Let's get to it. Alright, here it is. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Oops. Okay, slowly. Since it is still new, let's put it aside. Let's check what's inside this. Okay. Oops. Okay. Alright. Alright. So, what's in here? Interesting. So, we have, well, I guess this is the extra strap. Okay. And the wireless charger is the dock. Wireless charging dock. And we have the warranty card and also the manual together. Sorry about that background sound. Alright, so here we got the charger itself. You just need to plug that to the charging dock, but basically this one still have the old one, micro USB. Micro USB. Okay, is there still anything inside? Nothing. Okay, let's go to the watch itself. Looks beautiful. Yep. It's a nice looking watch. So let's remove all this plastic cover. Okay. There we go. Another plastic cover at the front. Okay. Removed. Okay, here we're going to turn on the watch for the first time. Here you can see the boot up screen. It's a Samsung Galaxy Watch. Okay. It's dead. Okay. Still on. Okay. Galaxy Watch, welcome. What it says here, download the Galaxy wearable app on your phone to pair your phone and the watch. Okay, we're going to do that. Okay, here I have my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so I'm going to pair it up with the Galaxy Watch, and I'm going to tap on connect now. Okay, let's see. Let's pair up. I'm going to tap on start on my phone, and it says tap OK button on your watch, so I'm going to tap on OK or the check mark on my watch. Okay, 0%. So I think this might take time to set it up. Okay, take about 3 minutes to set it up. Okay, finishing pairing. Okay, there you go. Watch paired. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch. Okay. Here you can customize the watch face by using your phone. There's many watch faces available for you to choose. Look, nice. Alright, here we're going to try the charging dock. Okay, it's magnetic. It's sturdy. Okay, it's good. Okay, let's try the wireless power share on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Let me just turn it on and let's try to charge it if it's working. Okay, so yep, it's charging. Okay, here we have the power button, the back key, and we have the microphone is here. Okay, there you are. And at the bottom we can see the health sensor. And at the other side we have only the speaker there. And also the rotating bezel. Alright, nice. Okay, so here is the Milanese strap. It looks good and it's very light. Nice. And I have a stainless steel silver band or silver strap from my Seiko watch. Okay, so look, I try to apply different watch faces here. They look great on the silver strap. See, nice. Here the watch will detect if you're walking or exercising. Listen to the ticking sound. Nice. Okay, well that's it. That's the end of my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Nice.